There's always craziness in the news, and I feel like it's always a bad news bears. But I promise that when there's something positive, that I will share it. And this situation is as positive as it can get. Pretty much, one of us, a truck driver, was out there in Bay City, Michigan, and he was on the US 31 in the Londonton area, and it was a two-way highway. And as he's driving, he sees this toddler with a toy lawnmower on the edge of the freaking white lines. What he does right away is he pulls to the side, runs across the traffic, stops the traffic, grabs the kid, and walks him back to the mom. The mom was completely shaken up, and he didn't want nothing for nothing, and he just got back into his rig and he kept on going. Well, the mom found out what truck it was and who he worked for, and pretty much now he's getting the Angel Award. You know, clapping for Dallas Steger. We appreciate you. We love you. You're a great representative of a truck driver, of American, of somebody that hopefully all of us would do, but he risked his own life to save a toddler's life, and I just thought that was awesome. You know, it had like one article on it on ABC, and I just think that's not enough. We need to definitely clap for this man right here. Mother truckers, put down the emoji of a unicorn for just happiness and sugars and rainbows that this truck driver was there. We appreciate you, Dallas. Thank you for representing us in such a positive manner. And, you know, it was just awesome what you did. You know, I know it was dangerous that you risked your life, and I'm glad that it just worked out right. But hey, mother truckers, show some love. He's one of us, and he did something amazing. You know what I mean? These houses, sometimes they're on these busy two-way highways. You know, watch your kids. That's all I got to say. Mother truckers, in and out.